Dental implants on a budget, Turkey vs. Europe. Dental implants are a popular and effective way to replace missing teeth and restore your smile. However, the cost of dental implants can be prohibitive for many people, especially in Europe. Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for affordable dental implants, but is it truly a cost-effective option compared to getting dental implants in Europe? In this article, we will compare the cost, quality, and overall experience of getting dental implants in Turkey versus Europe. Cost comparison. One of the main reasons why people choose to get dental implants in Turkey is because of the significantly lower cost compared to European countries. In Europe, the cost of a single dental implant can range from A1,000 to A3,000, depending on the country and the dentist. In Turkey, on the other hand, the cost of a single dental implant can be as low as A500 to A1,000. This significant cost difference is often attributed to lower labor and operational costs in Turkey. Quality of treatment. While cost is an important factor, the quality of treatment should not be compromised when it comes to dental implants. Turkey has experienced and qualified dentists who are trained in the latest techniques and technology in dental implantology. Most dental clinics in Turkey also adhere to strict international standards of sterilization and hygiene, ensuring a safe and effective treatment for patients. Similarly, European countries also have highly skilled dentists who are experts in dental implant procedures. European countries often have stricter regulations and guidelines for dental practices, ensuring that patients receive high-quality treatment and care. However, the cost of treatment in Europe can be a deterrent for many people who are looking for more affordable options. Overall experience. The overall experience of getting dental implants in Turkey versus Europe can vary depending on the individual's preferences and needs. Turkey is known for its hospitality and warm culture, with many dental clinics offering personalized services to cater to the needs of international patients. Patients can also enjoy a relaxing holiday in Turkey while getting their dental implants done, making it a popular choice for dental tourism. On the other hand, European countries offer a more familiar and predictable experience for patients who prefer to stay closer to home. Patients in Europe can benefit from easy access to aftercare services and follow-up appointments, as well as the peace of mind of receiving treatment in their own region. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting dental implants in Turkey can be a cost-effective option for people who are looking to save money without compromising on the quality of treatment. Turkey offers affordable prices, experienced dentists, and a unique travel experience for international patients. However, European countries also provide high-quality dental implant services with strict regulations and guidelines in place. Ultimately, the decision to get dental implants in Turkey or Europe depends on your individual needs, preferences, and budget. It is important to research and compare different dental clinics, dentists, and treatment options before making a decision. Whether you choose to get dental implants in Turkey or Europe, the most important thing is to prioritize your oral health and well-being.